Come on. Go for a walk. You gonna stop yet? No? No? Stopping now? You need a belly rub now? Belly rub now. Yeah. Belly rub now. Okay, let's more walk. Let's go. Come on. That's what we used to do with Shiloh. There. No, more. More? I thought we were going on a walk. Huh? Let's go on another walk. Let's go on a walk. Come on. Let's go. Come on. That's it. Heard me. Another stop. Another one of them. Another one of them. And see, with our doggy, he would never stop. Except for a pee. Oh. Come on. Right, should we go back? Are you going to herd me? We go back? Huh? Man. Come on. Let's herd me then. Herd me. That's it. Herd. That's it. Herd me. Come on. That's it. Tay-Tay, come on. Focus. Focus. That's it. Herding humans. Oh. Right. What? Get in front of me. Come on, you're supposed to be protecting me. Lagging today. Lagging, man. Now what? That enough? Yeah. That's it. That's it. No more now.